Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you change your username on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just this sign down here, click on it. So then when you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go above the sign settings here in app, click on it here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click, or you just go back, sorry, you just click in this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and you come here to username, and here can you change it. So you just here add your username. Then when you're done, you just go down, you click here on save changes. Then it's going to change with you on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Support us by like and subscribe.